Creating and selling designs from Canva to Printify is a straightforward process that offers a world of creative possibilities. To begin, access your Canva account and click Create Design at the top right corner, selecting Logo. In Canva's editing interface, craft your unique design, apply customizations, and when satisfied, click Share to download it to your device. Next, head over to Printify, log in, and search for your desired product, such as a shirt. Click Start Designing, upload your Canva design from your device, and fine-tune settings to ensure a perfect fit. You can even adjust the product's color to match your vision. After these adjustments, click Save Product. Now, set up product colors, create a compelling description, determine pricing, and publish your product if your store is connected. If not, you can easily connect a new store. This process allows you to seamlessly bring your Canva designs to life on Printify, opening up endless creative possibilities